Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about early humans. In that, we have discussed about different Stone Age, important features of Paleolithic period, important features of Mesolithic period, and a case study about Deccan. In this video, we will discuss the book back exercise. Our first section is choose the correct option. In that first question is Stone Age is divided into 2 periods, 3 periods, 4 periods or 5 periods. The correct answer is 3 periods. Stone Age is divided into 3 periods. Second question, tools were used by early humans to skin the animals or to cut the roots of plants or to scrap the bark of the trees or all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Third question is fire was discovered by early humans during the first option Paleolithic period, second option Mesolithic period, third option Neolithic period, fourth option Chalcolithic period. The correct answer is Paleolithic period. Fourth question is Bhimbetka is located in the state of first option Uttar Pradesh, second option Haryana, third option Punjab, fourth option Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Fifth question is cave paintings on Bhimbetka have been declared a heritage site by first option UNICEF, second option WWF, third option WHO, fourth option UNESCO. The correct answer is UNESCO. Sixth question is a number of Paleolithic sites have been found in Hanski and Kurnool near first option Son River, second option Ganga River, third option Mahanadi River, fourth option Krishna River. The correct answer is Krishna River. Seventh question is microliths were made by early humans in the Paleolithic age or Mesolithic age or Neolithic age or Chalcolithic age. The correct answer is Mesolithic age. Eighth question is microliths were small and sharp tools or tools for digging the ground or musical instrument or earthen toys. The correct answer is small and sharp tools. Our next section is filling the blanks. In that first question is dash were the ancestors of mankind. Hominids were the ancestors of mankind. Second question, in 1974, in dash, scientists discovered the remains of a female body which were quite similar to the human beings of today. The correct answer is Ethiopia. Third question, discovery of fire was dash. Discovery of fire was accidental. Fourth question, the dash plateau is one of the oldest plateaus of the Indian subcontinent. The answer is Deccan. The Deccan Plateau is one of the oldest plateaus of the Indian subcontinent. Fifth question is dash, dash and dash were also used as raw material to make stone tools at Hanski. The answer is limestone, granite and basalt were used as raw materials to make tools at Hanski. Sixth question, dash is the last period of Stone Age. The answer is Neolithic period. Now state whether true or false. In that first statement, most of the remains of early humans have been found close to river basins. The statement is true. Second one, Mesolithic period means new Stone Age. It's a false statement. Mesolithic period means middle Stone Age. Third question, the paintings in the Bhimbetka caves have not faded till now. It's a true statement. Fourth question, microliths were made in the Neolithic age. It's a false statement. The correct answer is microliths were made in the Middle Stone Age. Fifth question is granite tools were recovered from the site of Hanski. It's a true statement. Our next section is answer the following questions briefly. In that first question, into how many periods is the Stone Age divided? Mention that time period. Stone Age is divided into three periods: Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and Neolithic period. Paleolithic period starts from 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic period starts from 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. Neolithic period starts from 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. Second question is, how did early humans cover their bodies? Answer is, early humans used the leaves or bark of the trees and furs of animals to cover their bodies. Third question, why did early humans live in caves? Answer is, caves provided shelter from heat and rain and protected them from wild animals. Fourth brief question is, why did early humans use flint to make tools? The answer is, the stone tools were made of flint as it chips easily and is thus convenient to shape. They made, flint means hard rock. They made tools from that hard rock because it was easy to remove the unwanted materials on that rock, and it was easy to shape those rocks. Fifth brief is, name few habitation sites of Paleolithic age. Answer is, Hansky and Kurnool near Krishna River, riverbeds of Son River in Punjab, which is now in Pakistan, Kashmir, and Narmada Valley. Sixth question is, why are early humans called food gatherers or hunter gatherers? Answer is, early humans did not stay at one place and kept moving from one place to another in search of food. They moved in groups. They killed animals and ate raw meat. That is the reason they were called as food gatherers or hunter gatherers. Seventh question is, what type of tools were used by early humans? What were the tools used for? Answer is, early humans used stone tools and tools made from bones of animals. Tools such as spears and arrows were used to hunt and skin the animals. They were also used to cut roots and fruits, to scrape the bark of the trees, and to dig the ground to get roots of the plants to eat. Eighth question is, write down the features of tools used by early man in Mesolithic period. Answer is, in that first point, during this age, humans learned to make better tools. They learned to make better tools than Paleolithic period. Second point is, these tools were more delicate. Third point is, they made flake tools such as scrapers and knives. Flake tools means they were small, flat, more thin. Fourth point, they started to make smaller and sharper tools called microliths. Our next section is answer the following questions in detail. In that, our first question is, explain the technique of making tools by early humans. Answer, stone on stone. This technique was used in which one stone was to be shaped, was held in one hand, and another stone was held in other hand as hammer, as shown in the first picture. Second, pressure flaking. It is the method of trimming the edge of a stone tool by removing small stony flakes by pressing on the stone with a sharp stone, as shown in the second picture. Second detailed question is, how was fire discovered? How was fire useful for early humans? Discovery of fire was accidental, and they mainly used to cook meat, to keep themselves warm, and to protect themselves from wild animals. Let's see the answer. It is assumed that fire must have been discovered by accident. And how fire was useful for early humans? For that, the answer is, they used it to cook meat before eating rather than eating raw meat. They lit fire outside their caves to protect themselves from wild animals. They kept themselves warm with the help of fire in the cold weather. Third and last detailed question is, list some special features of cave paintings found at Bhimbetka. Answer, Bhimbetka cave painting sites have been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So these sites need special protection. Second point, these paintings give us idea about the life of early humans. We get more knowledge about the life of early humans with the help of these paintings. Third point is the paintings have survived for so many years and the colors have not faded till now. Scientists believe that colors were prepared by combining charcoal, red stone, and powders from other stone. That is the reason these paintings have survived for so many years and the colors have not faded till now. With this, we have completed the book back exercise. Thank you, children.